Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one.
Read the short passage and answer the questions.
Lina helps at home every Saturday. She cleans her room. She takes care of her baby brother. She feeds the pigs and chickens. She helps her mother cook and prepares the table. She enjoys helping at home. Now it's your turn. Read the words when they get green. Ready? Now, I want you to get your pad paper and answer the questions by writing the correct letter. Pause this video and get ready. Let's begin. Number 1 question. Where does Lina live? Letter A, in the city. Letter B, in the farm. Letter C, in the town. Write your answer now. Number 2. What word best describes Lina? Letter A, faithful. Letter B, cheerful. Letter C, helpful. Write your answer now. Number 3. What is the story about? Letter A, Lina. Letter B, mother. Letter C, brother. Write your answer now. Are you done? Let's check. Number 1 question. Where does Lina live? The answer is letter B. Lina lives in the farm. Number 2. What word best describes Lina? The answer is letter C. Lina is helpful. Number 3. What is the story about? The answer is letter A. The story is about Lina. Are you correct?
Children, obey your parents. The Lord, for this is right. Ephesians 6:1.